Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to, post a story on TikTok. So the first step is go to TikTok, and here in your feed you need to go to your profile. And here in your profile you can, the only thing you need to do to post it a story or upload a video or a picture for a story to a story. You need to pick here in this blue button in the bubble of your photo, your picture of profile. You pick here, and after that you get the option here and all, or you can choice in the carpet. You got the video of the picture specifically what you want to upload. For example, you pick here, and this is an image, and the only thing you need to do is put like stickers, text, whatever you want in these options you want to put to your history, and you complete the process, pick in your story, and that's it. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.